Hi family, hello, welcome to that Kisii girls channel. This is a new vlog that I have actually just started. It's my first vlog in the month of October. Yeah, I haven't done any vlog so far, and I was like, let me just start an intro, try to make these new video interesting, try to shoot a few clips here and there, because now a few days have gone by. It's more than 5 days since I last posted, and that is not good for my channel. Anyway guys, thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. Yay! Even Maya is saying yay. Yeah, thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. I don't take your support for granted, because honestly I wouldn't be. Yes baby. Yes, my love. She's smiling. Honestly, I wouldn't be here without your support. Yes, mama. Yeah, thank you for 2,000 subscribers. And my next video, I'm going to talk about the monetization process, because apparently right now we are in the YPP, YouTube Partner Program. Yeah, and I'm so happy. So guys, I have just started this vlog. It's around, I'm using my phone to vlog, so I don't know the precise time, but I think it's about 7:30 p.m. I have someone who is competing with me to talk. Like, I really wish you all could just see her, the way she's behaving. Yeah, and I have a very bad flu, but I hope I get well soon. So I'm currently using my phone to vlog, by the way. I'm not using the GoPro. My GoPro kinda has a slight issue with the bottom part that holds the tripod, and you know the GoPro is small. Like holding it with my hand, I don't know, feels, there's a, like I feel, I don't know, but I've ordered the small part that is missing. I don't know what happened. You know, baby plays with all these things a lot, so I don't know exactly what happened, but yeah, placing it on surfaces, vlogging, I don't know, I think that is one of the things that has really pulled me back from creating content. Yeah, it has really messed me up. Anyway, I ordered that thing. I'll insert it down here. I'll insert a photo of how it looks, that you all can understand what I mean. And now I have to vlog with my phone. Luckily I have a good phone that is workable. That is because the item I ordered, baby please come to mama, come guys, that is because the item I ordered is not found in Kenya. It has to be shipped, and the app said it will take 10 to 25 working days. So yeah, for this whole month you will have to bear with me recording with my phone. Yeah, anyway guys, I want to prepare a meal for baby. Come baby, come. I think that is why she's even complaining. I'm not going to prepare anything for myself whenever I'm alone. Oh my god, cooking is not something I love doing alone. Come baby, cooking is not something I love doing alone, so I rarely cook whenever I'm home alone. During the day my friends are always over come, but during the night I'm always alone. Yeah, not alone per se, I'm always me and baby. Yeah guys, anyway, we are good. So guys, apparently my phone went off while I was trying to show you guys what I'm up to. Baby is complaining, like she's literally complaining right now. She needs my attention. So for now, I think the intro is enough. We are going to continue with our video after some time. I need to go and quickly prepare something for baby. Yes mommy. Oh, I need to go and quickly prepare something for my baby, and then I'll be back to chat with you all. Yeah. This is what we always do. We fight for the camera. Yes mama, I don't want to start blurring your face. Yeah, yes baby, I know you want my attention and you got it. Like, you know you're the reason I breathe. Do you know that? Yes, Mama. Do you know that I love you? Yes, do you know? You're the reason you're the reason I wake up every day smiling, okay? I love you. I love you. Tell me I love you too, Mommy. Say, Mommy. Can you say, Mama? Mama. Can you say Mama's name? Can you say Mama? Mama. Can you say Mama's name? Anyway, guys, baby, stop. Anyway, guys, let me go and quickly prepare something for my baby, and then we will be back to creating more content. So meanwhile, bye. Let's go. Let's go, Mama. I love these hugs. I'm in love. Haja. 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 She's sleeping apparently. She's falling asleep. Anyway, let's go. See who fell asleep before I got the chance to even cook something for her. So I'm going to put her into bed and then prepare something for her quickly so that when she wakes up, she just eats. I think sleepiness, do we say sleepiness or something like that, was the one that was making her so fussy. But now she's resting. I need to go and prepare something quick for her and then maybe join her in bed because I also feel sleepy. I feel kind of tired. I have had a busy day. Yeah. Anyway, let me go prepare something for her. I don't know if I'm going with a phone. I forgot to tell you. I know someone will be like, what is this here? I don't know. I think maybe it's almost that time of the month. So it appeared it's Naivas. It's ready to be popped out, but I don't like popping them out. So I'll just leave it to pop out by itself. Yeah. Anyway, kindly like the video, please. Okay guys, please always like my videos, as in that is the only thing I request from you all. Guys who woke up as soon as we came into the room. This baby girl here, I don't know if you can even see her. She has eaten. I had to quickly make a meal for her. She has eaten and now I want us to sleep. I haven't eaten yet. Honestly, I'm not even feeling hungry. I mean, sometimes when you have to eat alone, can be kind of boring. Like, it's boring. That's why we are not even in the living room right now. We are in the bedroom. I want her to sleep, but she's not showing any sign of sleeping, so I'll play with her a little and then we'll see if we'll fall asleep. Anyway guys, for today I think I'm going to end the video here. Not the video per se, but this part 1 of this vlog, because it's almost 8 p.m. and I want to switch off everything. I want baby to just sleep. After she sleeps, I'll maybe edit this video. Like, I have already done the intro until this moment. I haven't edited those parts. I want to edit out baby's face, add the clips up to form one flowing video. After I'm done, I'll fall asleep and then maybe continue this video tomorrow. Yeah, I want to sleep, make my baby sleep. Now see her. Baby, yeah, I want to put her to bed and then see if I'll also fall asleep. Actually, my baby is also having a bad flu, but luckily enough it's depleting. Like, it's slowly ending, and I really can't wait for her to just be okay, because sometimes I feel like this flu makes her like she doesn't understand what is going on in her life, and that makes me sad. Yeah, so let me play with baby a little. I don't know if I'll shoot a few clips of us playing. I'm not so sure. And then we'll fall asleep and then I'll wake up early because now I have a lot of things to do in the morning. Yeah, so guys, kindly watch the video till the end. For now, good night. Hi guys, good morning. This is the next day and I'm hanging a few clothes here. The sun is out, but there's a lot of shade right here where the clothes are hung. I hope you all can hear me. There's a bit of noise coming from the background. Yeah, it's still early morning. I've already made tea. Baby has gone out for a walk with my friend for the morning sun, and now I want to study a little bit and then come back to creating content after. This is exactly how I look. I am in this dress. I'm donning this beautiful black dress. I thrifted it for $50, 50 Kenyan shillings, and I love how it is. It is free, it is comfortable, I just love it. The clothes were in here. If it rains before they dry, I'll have them in there. Somebody just sent me money. Yeah. If it rains early, I'll have to put them there. If it doesn't, we'll fold the clothes up. That is if the clothes dry today. Anyway, let me show you the laundry that we did. It's a lot, guys. I don't know if you guys watched my live recording while these clothes are being washed. There are a lot. Anyway guys, let me show you quickly the clothes drying and then we'll go back into the house. Yeah.
That Kisii girl in the morning light, sharing her world, it feels so right. Village skies and the stories near,
All the way from there, all the way to here. Guys, you can see the clothes getting enough breeze. That is my view from the balcony. Kisii is beautiful, honestly. You see that end over there that you see there, that is the Kisii town. Yeah, and Kisii is blessed with so many hills, like a lot of hills and good rainfall.
that Kisii girl, come watch her grow. That Kisii girl on a market day, smiles of family light the way. Traveling roads where the green trees sway. That Kisii girl, she'll guide your day. That Kisii girl, where the skies are white. That Kisii girl, with love inside. Moments of joy, stories she shows. That Kisii girl, come watch her grow. Kisii girl in the evening glow, peaceful steps where the rivers flow, dreams unfold in the life she knew. That Kisii girl, she'll sing for you. From that Kisii girl, where the skies are white. That Kisii girl, with love inside. Moments of joy, stories she shows. That Kisii girl, the world now knows. That Kisii That Kisii girl in the morning light, sharing her world, it feels so right. Village skies and the stories near. That Kisii girl, her voice is clear. That Kisii girl, where the skies are wide. That Kisii girl, with love inside. Moments of joy, stories she shows. That Kisii girl, come watch her grow. That Kisii girl on a market day, smiles of family light the way. Traveling roads where the green trees sway. That Kisii girl, she'll guide your day. That Kisii girl, where the skies are white. That Kisii girl, with love inside. Moments of joy, stories she shows. That Kisii girl, come watch her grow. That Kisii girl in the evening glow, peaceful steps where the rivers flow. Dreams unfold in the life she knew. That Kisii girl, she'll sing for you. Oh, that Kisii girl, where the skies are wide. That Kisii girl, with love inside. Moments of joy, stories she shows. That Kisii girl, the world now knows. That Kisii girl, living free. That Kisii girl.